You're fucking weird. Weird as hell. You are.
Are you watching that video I made for Cynthia?
Jasmine is weird. She's so. Yeah, the one with
Unibrow.
I did not do that. Jasmine did that. So.
It's not really unibrow. It's kind of just a slash.
Well, you're stupid, anyways.
Are you watching it or are you?
We're recording it, and we're about to watch Jasmine, Dakota and Savannah box because boxing is what they do best. Here we go.
We're all gonna take turns.
Is that right? I don't feel like fighting. I'm a lover, not a fighter. Oh. This is what we do in the Sang house, in case you're wondering.
I will break you. Okay.
In corner number 1, we have Savannah Sang. Corner number 2, Dakota Sang. Savannah, stop! He's dying. He's dead.
I know, but. Yeah, no. Okay, good idea. Yeah, no. Again, I will break you.
Wow, Jasmine decides to jump in because she's free. For real, it is. You know, so if you want to come over to Savannah's house and just chill, you know, just come over and we can just chill.